Welcome back. In the last video, you downloaded R on your machine. Now in this video, we will download RStudio. RStudio is an open source integrated development environment, IDE, for carrying out analysis in R. Okay, so before we start downloading the RStudio, let me clear the confusion you may have in your mind. Many beginner R learners get confused between R and RStudio. Most of them download RStudio and straight away start their work. But this doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because R and RStudio are completely different entities. You can carry out all the analysis in R without even bothering about RStudio. So get this concept clear once and for all. R and RStudio are two completely different entities. RStudio does not include R. So RStudio is just an open source interface which extends the functionality of R. It takes the user input, it sends it back to the R interpreter. The R interpreter executes the commands, executes all your analysis activities, and sends the output back to the RStudio. And it is as simple as that. That's how it works. So one point worth mentioning here, RStudio does not include R. So you need to make sure that you installed R before installing RStudio. So imagine you are driving a car without a dashboard. Now how that driving experience would be? It would be incredibly difficult to drive a car without a dashboard. So using R interface only for carrying out analysis is just like driving a car without a dashboard, right? So just like having a nice dashboard with a navigation system, a speedometer and all those bells and whistles that you can think of makes driving a car easy and fun. In a similar way, having RStudio makes using R easy and fun as well. I think I could sort of able to drive home this pointer here. So let's get straight to the downloading RStudio on our machine. Again, let me remind you here that RStudio does not include R, so you need to make sure that you install R before installing the RStudio. Okay, great. Now, in order to download the R, you will have to visit posit.com/download. Posit is open source data science company that developed the RStudio IDE. Click on download RStudio. Then on the download web page, you will find the download options as per the operating system. Remember, R works on multiple platforms. So as RStudio works on multiple platforms, select the options as per your operating system. Follow the download instructions and you should get through with the RStudio installation. Once installed, double click on RStudio logo. Great, now you should have both R and RStudio downloaded on your machine. So this is how the icon looks like, the icon for RStudio and icon for R. Look at them closely here so henceforth, whenever we will work in R, we will simply double click on RStudio icon and not on R icon. Okay, so please remember this, RStudio icon, double click, not on R icon. Okay, right. So in the next video, we will have a quick orientation of RStudio interface. I will see you in the next video.